Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Depop order before it is shipped, whether you are a buyer or a seller. So first of all, simply sign in into your Depop account. Then you just have to simply open your purchase. Now, if you have changed your mind and the seller hasn't shipped the item yet, you can just simply send a message to the seller and then you can just simply ask them to cancel the order and refund the order. Now, you can't directly cancel a completed purchase yourself. If the seller agrees, they are going to refund your payment through Depop, and once the refund is processed, you can purchase the item again later if you want it, or you can just simply skip it. Now, if you are a seller, then you just have to simply go to the sold items section and then you just have to simply select the order that you want to cancel. Now, in order to cancel it, when you are inside the offers page or the orders page, you need to simply look for the option of a refund. So simply choose the option of refund, then select a full refund and confirm the refund. If you were paid via PayPal, you will need to issue the refund via PayPal instead. So that's how you can basically cancel the Depop order before shipping as a buyer and even as a seller. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.